Hi guys, I'm Gareth and I'm here to tell you that Google AdWords doesn't need to be expensive or complicated to use. I've been using AdWords for the last 5 years, consistently generating 6 figures a year, every single year, by using Google AdWords and using simple methods and tactics, and it can work for you too. So shortly I want to dive in and I want to show you some really simple methods that you could use for your online business. It doesn't matter if you sell products or services or have your own online lead generation website. It can work. It's a powerful tool. It's not like Facebook, for example, where you're targeting lots of different interests. With AdWords, you are targeting people that are actively gone out of their way to search for your product or for your service. So let me show you some really simple methods that's going to maybe help you and help your online business. So let's take this blue character here, for example. So say this is your ideal customer or your ideal prospect. So he or she has opened up their laptop, their iPad or their iPhone, and they've gone out their way and they've conducted a search. So in this example, let's say you sell yoga pants for women. So your customer or potential prospect has gone onto Google and they've typed in yoga pants for women. Okay, so that is what we call a long tail key phrase, and what I mean by that is it's a word or a phrase that consists of 4 words minimum, and by targeting long tail keywords you're able to more laser target your customer that has a real intent to purchase your product or your service. So your customer has typed in yoga pants for women. So you always need to think about your customer and the type of mindset that they're in and the search phrase that they're in. So your ad here, your Google AdWords, needs to have that in the title. And also what might be a good idea is to also use promotional content, things like 30% off or free delivery, and then that helps to support a higher click-through rate, so your ad will get clicks to your page. Now this is the critical bit, and this is what's going to help you stand out from the competition, help you get those extra sales and conversions from your competitors. Okay, so this is what we call a landing page. Okay, so again, always think about what it is your customer is typing into Google. So your landing page will have yoga pants for women in this example. So that would be your headline. Now always think about people when they search and look at pages online. Generally speaking, they look to the center, look to the left, and then to the right. So always have yoga pants for women, the images and the headline clear above the fold, so that's above, so near the top here, so it supports the key phrase. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. But one of the good things and advantages about using AdWords is it has a massively powerful retargeting tool, and I would say probably about 65% of my 6 figures every year comes from remarketing. Now this is what you can do, which is really clever, and you being smart marketeers can apply it for your own online businesses. So you can put in some Google tracking code where you can develop some ads, some adverts that you can upload into AdWords for yoga pants for women, and then people that have not bought from your landing page originally, from the original search and the original customer journey, you can remarket them. So you can then send them to another landing page and say offer them a discount, for example. So something I've used successfully in my own business is you could redirect your remarketing audience to another landing page and say, hey, welcome back. Here's 30% discount off yoga pants for women. So that will help you get more conversions and steal more traffic and sales from your competitors. So it all comes back to remembering what the customer typed in and supporting their customer journey into your landing page. Now, the other thing as well, which AdWords does, which is powerful, is they even tell you what key phrase or what search term your customer typed in to get you that sale. That's super powerful. So you imagine over time you have a campaign that is generating you conversions of keywords that people are typing in exactly into Google search box, and that's really powerful stuff. So this is just scratching the surface, guys. It really is. It doesn't need to be complicated or difficult or expensive. You can get cheap AdWords traffic that converts from people that are searching for what you have to offer. And that's what's really powerful about this. Now, it goes into much more detail. There's lots of other methods and strategies that I use that isn't difficult or complicated. Now, I'd love it if you guys come and join me on a free web class that I'm running. Sign up below, and I'm going to show you some of the tactics, strategies and methods I'm using in my own online businesses. I'm going to show some of my landing pages that I'm using, and I'm even going to show you some of my commission statements or payments that I've received in my bank account that support what I'm doing and what supports that what I'm doing works, and it can work for you guys. So I'm really pleased that you've listened to me, and I hope you take this on board and go away and maybe practice it in your own online businesses. But come and join me. It'd be great to meet you. Let's have a lot of fun, and let me show you some of the simple methods that you can also use using AdWords for your online businesses. So guys, have a great day, and I really look forward to hopefully meeting you on the free web class. All right, thanks guys, have a good day. Bye bye.